Hey, what's up? Jigsaw here. If you find yourself constantly struggling to build your email content from scratch, why not use an AI solution as your guide to streamline the entire process? In this video, I will show you my favorite AI tool for writing emails and explain how to use it to quickly draft engaging, high-converting emails and scale your outreach. Let's go! Although cold emails can serve different purposes, such as introducing a brand or closing a sales deal, the goal remains the same. It's to get a response and ultimately build a loyal customer base. That is why I took the time to find the best marketing tool, which led me to this specific program I recommend for you. This tool helps sales, marketing, and recruiting teams find and connect with the right people. It also employs effective email campaigns with optimal sequences to ensure a higher response rate. Do you want to give it a try now? You can click the link below to register and receive a free starter pack to explore all the features. After creating an account on the platform, the next step is to link your mailbox. You can use your Gmail or Outlook email addresses, but you can also link other providers such as Yahoo, Microsoft Exchange, Office 365, and other custom email accounts or servers. To begin, navigate to the Admin Settings menu at the bottom of the left side panel. Select All Settings, and open the Mailboxes configuration page. Click Link Mailbox, and choose the appropriate mail provider from the available options. Enter your email address, then follow the on-screen prompts to finish setting up the connection. Depending on your subscription plan, you can connect up to 15 mailboxes, each of which has its own sending limit to help you expand your outreach efforts. Next, prepare your email recipients by adding them as contacts in the People tab. In my case, I have already set up my contact list. If you want to learn how to expand your network, check out another one of my videos in which I discuss the process in detail. Let's begin drafting our first cold email campaign. From the People tab, choose the contacts to whom you want to send your campaign and click the Email button after selection. If you have linked multiple mailboxes, be sure to select the correct sender in the From field. Then, you can either write your emails from scratch or paste content you've already written into the email body. Or better yet, make the process much easier by using AI. Simply click Write with AI to easily generate subject lines, email copy, and personalized openers. To help the AI generate more accurate content and achieve the best results, provide the necessary context, such as your company or product name, customer pain points, value proposition, call to action, company overview, and any other relevant information. Then click Generate and wait for the AI-generated content. The AI will then produce your email template with options for each label, such as the subject line and email body. Pick the option you like, and it will be pre-filled into the email body. Although a draft is provided, feel free to edit the email before sending it. Once the content and settings have been finalized, click Send Now to forward the message to your intended recipients. Now your message is on its way, and you can monitor your inbox to track engagement and wait for replies. That's it. If I could help you, feel free to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe. If you have any questions about the video or want me to create a tutorial about another topic, leave a comment below. See you next time. Bye.